Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you about a very great tool to edit your logos for free. Also, any kind of pictures that you need, banners, honestly anything for the site. This I always do it here. You go to this canva.com, and then on canva.com create your account, and once you create your account you can create any kind of design. So let's say we need a logo. Usually it gives you 500, but for a logo I would always suggest 2000, better pixel rate. Right, now we have this design, this square, and here we can type logo, and that's it. And there's all these logos here. You can, I don't know, maybe you want this one, for example. You can just click on it and call it by your name or brand name, I don't know, X Lauren, for example. Here's a logo. You can scroll down. There's just a lot. Place. This looks nice. Looks like a for clothes or something. So you can either do it like this, just go through the logos, choose one, or you can even create by yourself. So let's say add X Lauren. Maybe we are fishing company that is called X Lauren. I'm gonna go here. You can select, let's select Montserrat Semi-Bold. Maybe the X is gonna be like this color, like this, and maybe we can go to elements. You can type like water. Okay. See all. Maybe or fish actually. Okay, fish. Let's look for. Okay, this could be nice. Is it here? Oh, it is. But can't see this. Let's go. Okay, maybe this. So. Alright. Let's make it smaller. Maybe a little like this. Take that here. Put the fish here. There you go. Here's a logo, something kind of like this. Maybe we can play around, but yeah, you can create your own thing, whatever you do. This is an amazing tool, as you see. I'll maybe make it a little bigger. Let's go like this. Center. And that's it. You have your logo. Yeah, so use this tool. It's amazing.